Hey guys, so I just came from my work, and last week at my work I just had this very amazing soup called minestrone soup, and I loved it so much. It was so healthy and delicious at the same time. So I thought I'm gonna try and make that soup on my own. Lately I've been enjoying a lot of soups which I make at home, and I was like, I'm gonna really try this soup. So I asked the recipe even there, and then I tried looking some recipes online, and basically it's all the veggies you have sort of soup. And I thought I'm gonna give it a go because I almost have all sorts of veggies at home, and I thought I would vlog it. And yes, so let's start with my minestrone soup recipe in a vlog style, of course. And it's my first time making it, so it's not like a tried and tested recipe. So it's like a more of a trying out a soup sort of recipe. And yes, enough of the introduction, let's get into my kitchen. On to the voiceover Shrestha. Let's quickly go through the ingredients. First of all, I used a lot of vegetables: tomatoes, 1 cup onion, 1 cup white cabbage, and half a cup celery. I have seen a lot of people using tin tomatoes. Instead, I used 3 or 4 small tomatoes, and I roughly chopped them. The next thing you need is beans, some sort of beans: kidney beans, black beans. I had none of them, so I instead used chickpeas. Bear with me, you guys. Now the next ingredient we need is pasta. As you can see, I have used 2 sorts of pasta, and I'm using a clean cloth, putting it on it, and then I'm going to bang it on the kitchen slab so that it breaks into roughly small pieces. But as you can see, I've also not done a very good job here. Some people also like to use boiled pasta. You can use 1 cup of boiled pasta, totally up to you what you would like to do. And now on to the next process, where we will cook everything together. Tablespoon of olive oil. I am clearly eyeballing this. Add 1 bay leaf to add that aroma. Next, add 4 garlic cloves which are finely chopped. Add 1 cup of finely chopped onion. Saute it well, and make sure your stove is at medium gas. While this cooks to a beautiful translucent color, let's quickly chop some carrots. Tip here: make sure all your veggies are in similar sizes so that everything cooks evenly. Now add the diced carrots. I have used 2 small orange carrots here. Add half a cup of celery, 1 cup of white cabbage. Mix it all well. Next, add 1 cup of boiled chickpeas. Mix it all well again. Look how beautiful this looks, you guys, and how colorful it is. Add tomatoes at this point. I have used 2 vegetable cubes here. Make sure you mix it all well. Next, add your pasta. Give it a good mix again, guys. I am adding 2 glasses of water next. Let it simmer for a few minutes. And to give that thick texture, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. Now put the lid and let it simmer and cook for 15 minutes. For seasoning and final touches, I decided to add some basil, oregano, and chili flakes. This is totally optional, you guys, because we did add our vegetable stock. Anyway, give it a final good stir, and voila, our minestrone soup is ready to serve and eat. And to garnish, I added a teeny tiny amount of Parmesan cheese again, and oh my god, I absolutely loved this soup. Serve hot and eat well. I think I'm gonna make it every week now because I totally enjoyed this meal of mine. Hey you guys, so I've just had my dinner and I've changed into my comfy clothes. I was editing this video and I realized I think I have found my favorite soup now. One of my favorite soup. It is so good, so delicious, wholesome, nutritious, and the best part is you make it with any and every veggies you have at home. So that's superb. So I absolutely loved it. Give it a go and let me know how you find it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit the little bell icon next to it so that you can be updated with all my latest videos. Meet me next Thursday guys. Until then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all. Bye.